In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify with Squarespace. This is an essential guide for anyone looking to streamline their e-commerce operations and seamlessly integrate their print-on-demand services with their web store. Let's get started. First and foremost, ensure that you are logged into your Squarespace account. This is critical because you need to have access to make any changes or connections. You can do this by heading over to the Squarespace website and entering your credentials. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as this will help you navigate more efficiently throughout the process. Next, we will focus on Printify, which is a fantastic platform for handling print-on-demand services. It allows you to customize products and sell them directly through your online store. So, what you need to do now is navigate to the Printify website. Once there, look for the section that talks about sales channel recommendations. This is where Printify suggests the best platforms to connect with, and it's where you'll find the option to connect with Squarespace. Now let's move on to the connection process. In the Sales Channel Recommendations section, search for Squarespace. It should be listed among the recommended platforms for integration. Upon finding it, you'll see an option to connect. Click on it, and the platform will guide you through the necessary steps to establish the connection between your Printify account and your Squarespace store. It's worth mentioning that this connection is designed to be user-friendly. However, if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to check the help resources available on both the Printify and Squarespace sites. They offer comprehensive guides and customer support to assist you. Once you've successfully connected the two platforms, you'll be able to manage your products and orders directly from Squarespace, while Printify handles the production and shipping aspects. This integration is incredibly beneficial for streamlining your business operations, making it easier to focus on marketing and expanding your product line. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've now connected Printify with Squarespace, opening up new avenues for managing your e-commerce business more efficiently. Remember, the key to a successful online store is not just in the products you offer, but also in the seamless experience you provide to your customers. Connecting these two platforms is a significant step in achieving that. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. We're here to help.